Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Gmail login history so you can see which devices have access to your account and when they last logged in. This is an essential step to ensure your account security, especially if you're worried about unauthorized access. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Launch the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're on the home screen, open the Gmail app like you normally would. Step 2. In the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. You'll see your Google account profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. Tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to a page where you can control all of your Google account settings. Step 4. Select Security. In the menu options at the top, find and select the Security tab. This is where you can check everything related to your account's security. Step 5. Scroll down and under the Your Devices section, tap on Manage all devices. This will bring up a list of devices connected to your Google account. Step 6. Here, you'll see a list of all devices where your Gmail account is currently logged in or has been recently. This includes device names, locations, and last login times. You can review the details for each device and identify any suspicious activity. If you spot something unusual, you can take immediate action to secure your account. And that's it. It's a simple process, but a very important one to stay on top of your Gmail account security. Remember, if you ever notice an unfamiliar device, it's best to change your password immediately. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on keeping your account safe.